Oh, hi there, Steve again from Constantly Crawford or Crawford Hall. I don't know which one, but just want to jump on real quick. You know, today it's like 7:30. In between the pay-per-view fights, the main card here. So I was gonna skip today going in, because I've been in like 10 days in a row, and I thought I could skip a day, and you know, my conscience got the best of me. I'm sitting there watching the fights, and I thought, I got 10 minutes. I can jump back in and get this done. So here I am doing it. And of course, I'm glad I'm doing it now. I wasn't so glad about 15 seconds ago when I jumped in. But anyway, thought it was a good day to go in, did some yard work today and stuff. And I know what my back's going to feel like tomorrow if I don't. So as I sat there and struggled, I thought, well, I better get in. So I did. And just kind of want to let you know that some days it's hard. Some days you just don't want to get in this cold water. Right now we're at about 39 degrees, 38 degrees. And it's cold. But I feel good now. Glad I got in. Spend the next 6-7 minutes in here. And shoot. I mean, I'm just glad I did now. Just wanted to go on and let you know that it's not always easy. It's really tough. And today was super tough because it's late. Had my mindset of not having to go in today. But like I said, my conscience got the best of me. Here I am, got in, and I'm going to struggle through this and get through it. I'm feeling good now. And I know I'll feel better tomorrow as my back loosens up. So just wanted to let you know that life's tough sometimes. Sometimes we don't want to do the things that are good for us, but if we force ourselves, a lot of times there are good results. And I know there'll be good results this time. So, and I'm shivering today. For some reason I'm shivering. But anyway, just wanted to kind of let you know that some days are harder than others, and today's one of those days. So take care, and we'll finish up here in a couple minutes. You know, I saw a post today of some guys that were just starting to do ice baths, and he asked if it was normal if your fingers and your toes feel like your hands and your feet, basically, but the fingers and toes also feel like they're swelling and getting ready to pop, and then the pins and needles set in before they go numb. And that's exactly what you feel, exactly what I feel every time I get in this ice bath. It feels like they're gonna explode. They don't, I know they won't, but the pins and needles are real. You can feel them throughout your hands, your fingers, your toes, your feet. That's basically the only place, but you do feel it, and it's normal. I'd like to say it gets better. You get more used to it. It doesn't get any better, but you get more used to it. So hang in there if that's you. Get in every day, and eventually you get more used to it. It doesn't get easier, but you do get more used to it. So hang in there and get it done. There it is. Got my 7 minutes in. See you next time.